ever walked into a place and then you immediately felt something before anyone even spoke to you? That's the part that actually intrigues me. I'm fascinated by how people experience a brand, how a space feels, how a story is told, and how every touch point shapes perception. Over the years, I've worked in hospitality management, content creation, and brand strategy. While those roles look different on paper, they all led me to the same realization. The brands people remember are not actually the ones with bigger budgets or the most beautiful spaces. They are the ones where every detail works together to create a meaningful experience. And that's why I'm intentional about hospitality, wellness, and lifestyle brands. These are industries where interaction matters. From the first impression to the final goodbye, I believe hospitality is more than just serving food or creating a beautiful space. It's about creating experiences people remember, talk about, and return to. This is the kind of work I love doing. I help hospitality and lifestyle brands clarify their positioning, become more memorable through strategy, creativity, and intentional customer experiences across their brand, content, and communication. If you're ready to build with intention, I would love to be a part of your journey. Enquiries are now open via the link in my bio.